ladies, welcome back to my channel. So today I have a quick little Tuesday morning haul. Tuesday Morning now is putting out in their ad on their website that they are going to have Maggie Holmes stuff. So I was just seeing if more stuff was coming in. Not that my store ever got the good stuff to begin with. I got my stuff out of state in Arizona. Anyway, picked up some of these stamps because I had a fear of missing out. Like if I didn't get it, that I would regret it later. I did like it for that bow right there. So I got that one. And I picked up some of these Jen Half-Filled stickers, sentiment stickers. I like that they were like pastel pink. I think the ones behind it are black. I'm not sure, but I will like either way. This one right here is like the ice cream style one. I'm assuming from Carousel. It doesn't say though. Right there. Then I picked up a 12 by 12 of the Bloom. They didn't have paper pads last time I was there, so I was super excited for this. I'm sure you guys have seen this a million times. I already have one of these, but it's very picked apart because I have used it several times. Then I picked up the 12 by 12 of the Carousel. Where's the thingy? Right there. I love this one. I don't think I have the 12 by 12. I might have some single sheets, but I definitely don't have this sheet, so that for sure means I don't have the 12 by 12 paper stack. Carousel is one of my favorite collections of hers, along with Flourish. And I think Shine, even though Shine has not been out yet at Tuesday Morning. Then I picked up a Gather in the 12 by 12. I do have a 6 by 6, but I decided to go ahead and get the 12 by 12 because you guys, I saw Donna's YouTube video of her Show Me Your Maggie Holmes, and she had like I said, she had the Shine collection that I didn't even know what the stuff looked like, and it was just gorgeous. I'm like, I hope Tuesday Morning gets Shine collection. So these are the papers. Okay, so those are the 12 by 12s. Got 4 of those. And I picked up some of these. These are super cute. These are the Amy Tangerine little like ephemera pieces. Then I picked up another one of these. I only saw one. The Carousel Really Pretty Words in gold. Love you. Picked up 2 of these. $1.35 sentiment stickers because you can never have enough and you can always gift them to pals. Then I picked up one more of the Carousel 6 by 12 cardstock stickers. Then this, I passed it up last time because I was like, I don't need to pay $2 for pom-poms, and what I do, I went ahead and bought it just so I could like have the entire collection. Like I said, I watched Donna's video and it like inspired me to buy and put everything together, like to have the collection, like most of the pieces. And then I picked up this because I did sell all of the ones that I got, and I decided I'm going to have a fear of missing out if I don't have it, so picked it up. This is from Open Book. And then I picked up this, which is like multi-pack of clear sheets, and I figured I can sew stuff inside of the little pockets for happy mailing and whatnot. And then, oops, I picked up, these Maggie Holmes stamps. It has the little Collect Beautiful Moments with the little deer. These are different than the other 2 that I got. Picked up some of the Heidi Swap bows in like the mint color. So cute. And then I got this box, you guys. It says Oh La La. And it's pink, and then it has like the magnetized opening, you know. This was $8.99. So yeah, that is my quick little Tuesday morning haul, and I will catch you guys on the next crafty video. Bye guys.